trip down to Five Below to see what they had in this week. We saw these before, but I just think these are so nice. So they're these little baskets, then they're woven. They have like these nice wooden handles. Those hooks, you put those on the wall, and then they have those in different colors too, the over the door hooks. These collapsible containers, a lot of places have those right now. Of course, they have a ton of throw rugs. These right here might be cute to do something, especially if you're going away to school and you're looking for some new decor, things like that. This is a Bluetooth speaker. So they have these Bluetooth speakers and they have them like in an art print. So you can put them up on the wall. They put the skates in like a retro style print. They have like outdoor activities. You can collapse these up and take these with you. They're about like $15. They started putting back out coats. So if you're looking for a coat, you might want to jump on that now. I think those were $10 before. These mirrors, love those, $10. And you can like antique that out to give it like a different look. They have some cute throw blankets, some cute pillows. This sheet set right here is a queen size 4-piece, $12. This metal table right here, $10. And you know they have a few different table options at Five Below. This one right here is interesting because it's like an acrylic tray, and then you just plop it on the top. There are the legs. This right here, another interesting one. And these are between $15 and $10. I think one of them might be $20 for it, but mostly between $10 and $15. This raft right here, the sign above it says $10, but I think that's kind of cheap for a raft. But they have like Bluetooth speakers. We saw the closet organizer before. This right here, this would be great for summer for like outdoors and stuff. You grab one of those. Another Bluetooth speaker. This one is shaped like a rock for outside. They still have the guitars and just a ton of Bluetooth items right now. So you can take those to the beach and stuff like that. Those are great. They come in different colors. They have like some LED light ones, just a few different options right now. They have things for the pool. So these are all inflatable. So they have the raft. They have the little basketball thing. They have this little pool right here, $10. Of course, they have a ton of throw pillows. All of these are $5.55. Just a variety of them. This one I thought was interesting. They have the heart shaped one right there, but this one is like a little butterfly. So, and it's like a fuzzy material. I just thought that was cute. And then this one, the little dumpling, super cute. So, and they have the butterflies in different colors and stuff. They have the plaid print ones with like the ruffle. They have like some flannel ones. They have these like the varsity type print on it. Just a lot of different throw pillows right now. And like I said, if you're stocking up for back to school, you might want to grab some of these. The shells we've seen before. These I always think are cute because they have the little clear moon knobs on them, and you can hang things on those too. And all the packages will tell you the weight for the shells. They have the little message boards and then they're like with a little wood frame around it. They had them in a few different colors. So they had the green, they had the pink, and they'll come with the little letters inside. And then they had like a whitish gray kind of color. There's more shells. A lot of these, like I said, we saw before, but just in case you didn't see them, I'm going to show them to you again. They have a few different side tables. This one I don't recall seeing. I think it has like a green colored top to go with the legs there. So you'll have like a little color accent. The throw rugs, like I said, these tables, these are great because I use the tops of the $5 tables from Five Below to do DIYs with because wood rounds are expensive. Those baskets have a little wood handle detail. They have the little lap pad for the laptop. This right here says collapsible hamper, but it's an underbed storage. So it's just little underbed storage. It comes in different colors that you can grab. They have little trash cans that you can grab. The little step stools are great for if you need a little step stool because it folds away flat. They have a lot of pieces that give me like a boho vibe. So they sell circle canvases too. So if you want to do something on your own, you can buy the already done ones like that, or you can buy the circle canvases that they do have, and you can create something on your own. The dried florals. So these are just that forever look of dried florals. Those are faux floral. They have a lot of faux floral options at Five Below that you can grab. They have garland. You see, these signs are cute. They had another option too. I think I saw this mirror. I think is cute. So it had a little emoji face on it. Just a lot of, like I said, like boho inspired pieces to me. The faux greenery, like I said, and it comes in like the little planters, but you can put it in your own planter. But I think everybody now is like a plant mom. I still don't know how to keep a plant, but if you don't know how to keep a plant, they have a lot of faux plant options. This lamp I thought was cute because just the detail of it hanging over, and only 5.55. That's not bad. They have the little LED lights. They have the globe lanterns. These string lights they still have. So these are going to be rainbow, and they're like in a silver, and these are like a palm, and they are in the gold. So those would be cute, especially if you like string lights, different things. These are just thought were cute. So these are lights. So they're like squishy, but they glow from the inside. So they had this little, I think it's a frog, and then the mushroom that they had there. And I think that kind of plays into like that fairy core, cottage core kind of thing. These we saw before, so they have a lot of little bud vases, and 5.55 for those. They have different colors, different things. This little pear cutting board, we saw that one before. These are little vases. They have them in two colors right now at my Five Below, and then they have this clear container, which I think could be great to organize stuff in. I love a clear container, so they had a few different of the acrylic containers. They have these we saw, and then they have the actual hamper. So that's a hamper, and that's collapsible too. 5.55. Those shells, just a ton of things. Shoe racks. So there was going to be like the little fabric shoe racks with the little frame. They have Tupperware. They have mugs. This I thought was cute. So if you know, it's like a game control handle. I thought that was cute. They have folding chairs. So they had this wood folding chair right here. That was just a nice folding chair, and you could put it away. They have the ones with the little bags, $7 for those. They had some gym stuff. Um, I'm gonna say the gym stuff is between $10 and $25. Okay, so they have that rope, you see it in the gym and you do it and you just like I forget how to describe it. But they have this adjustable dumbbell. I don't think that is $10. One of these I don't think is $10. Maybe the over the door hook was $10. I can't say for sure, but between 10 and $25, they have that little light up scooter there. They have this collapsible chair, but you see it stands tall. And just watch when you get it, because this one for some reason had like a little dirt on it. I don't know if that was like the color from the wood washing off. I don't know. They have some tote bags. They had a few different colors, $5. All the sandals that we did see before. They always have great t-shirts, hair accessories. So if you're looking for some clips, different things like that, Five Below has those. They even sell hair, so you can put like rainbow hair in and stuff like that. Caps, they have a ton of those. These shorts I like. So I love a pocket. They have like a little pocket, so they're just a biker short with a little pocket on it with else to work out. This is what they had in the clearance area at my Five Below. So just this mirror, and I think you hang that over your door. And then they have this, which every time I see it, I grab it. It's just an eraser, but I keep thinking of something else. The little light sanitizer. Not really a lot of stuff in the clearance today, but they did have a few things. These make a cute set, so you can get the top, and then you can get like the squirt bottom, or you can get like this off the shoulder top here, and it has the little drawstrings on the side, and you can pair it with one of these skirts. You can pair it with some of the shorts, but that's how the shorts look underneath the skirt, and you see it has little slits there on the side, and then you pair it. It's kind of like a light terry material, and then they have the little skirts that you can grab. So like you can make you a cute little set. You see they have them in a bunch of different colors to pick from. So if you're looking for a cute little two-piece, you might want to grab it. They're $5 a piece though. And if you didn't know, Five Below has been doing ear piercings, just in case you didn't know. They still have the hats, the crop tops, like the bralette tops. They have some nice jean short options for $5. Not bad at all. They have a few different washes in them. Some have like the folded hem, like that one right there, and then some have the raw hem, like that one right there, and it's like kind of a distressed look to it. And then they have that in different colors too, so you can get that in black and white. At least that's what I saw at my Five Below. And then you can pair it with one of the cute little tops, and you have your whole little set. This is another pair of those biker shorts with the little side pocket that I think are cute. So they have those in different prints. This, you can put a few different things in here, strap it over your shoulder like a crossbody. They have wallets. If you are going to like the Barbie movie or something, I think these shirts would be cute. And then, does anybody remember this cartoon? So I thought that was cute. And then they have like, things, the mushrooms, all kind of stuff. some retro prints. They have friends and stuff like that. Sunglasses, they still have a ton of sunglass options in, and they have some cute styles for $5. Not bad. That dress we saw before with the little side ruche is kind of at the top, but it's in a dress and it has sleeves. This will make a cute little set too. So you can get you the Venice Beach top, and it kind of has like that retro feel, and then you can get you the little shorts to go with it. I forgot what style shorts those are called. Is it dolphin? I don't remember. But they had a few different colors in those, some beauty finds that they had in. So they had a few different brushes, and they were just a couple of dollars, and then lashes, all kind of things. I thought these were cute. So I love a good board game. We have like a ton of them, but these just have like a little different look. So they have like those like clear like pieces on them. So they have checkers, backgammon, two different options, and then they still have like the classic ones. They still have some summer cups in $5, and those come with the straws and stuff like that. They still have picnic items in, so these have like a little installation in them, so to keep your stuff cold or warm or what have you. They have hammocks that you can grab for $5. They have hammock chairs. They have string lights, $5 that you can still grab. And you can see some of them come with big bulbs, some of them come with small bulbs, just a few different things. The hammock chairs are, I don't know how much it holds up to, but you can just toss that in your bag and go, like your tote bag and stuff, and go. They have the garden stuff still in, so those are like the little plant kits. These sets, well, they're not sets, but you would make them a set. I thought they were cute because the Pepsi and stuff. They have the shorts. This is a bubble machine, so you put the little bubbles, because they sell the bubbles there too in it, and it'll blow it out. Just a bunch of summer stuff still. This one shoulder dress I thought was cute. It came in a few colors, so they had yellow, blue, and then they had a white at my Five Below. And so that's a cute toss and go dress. Umbrellas that you can take out with you and just, stick it in the ground. They have this I just thought was interesting. Is this a placemat that you put under your dog's like water bowl and stuff like that, or your pet's water bowl? This, another one I thought was cute because it's a little sham towel, but for the pets, and it has little pockets and stuff. I thought that was interesting. This, another one that I just thought was interesting. It's like a little disco ball and has a little faux plant, and you can hang it. It has the little string there. These will be really pretty. You see they come in different ones. They have the butterfly, the mushrooms, different little details, and it'll catch the light. These knobs I thought were cute because you get two for $3.25. So you can make something real good. That's not too much at all. And then they have these hooks too. You would screw them in the wall, and then you could hang like your purse, your keys, different things in the front if you wanted. And of course they have the other hooks and stuff at Five Below, but they still have some like patriotic red, white, and blue stuff out at my Five Below, so you might want to check out your Five Below and see what they have.